What is good, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have another video with Sneaker Flea. Now, if you guys don't remember Sneaker Flea, they are selling these $130 mystery boxes with a chance of winning sneakers: an Off-White Jordan 1 Chicago, a Sean Wotherspoon Air Max 97 1, Off-White Jordan 5, Supreme box logo, so much just from the $130. Now, they're extremely limited. They're linked down below. If you didn't see the last video, you can check that out. But today we're gonna unbox a few of those $130 mystery boxes, as well as we have a $9,000 mystery box that is for me that you could also win in these mystery boxes. Let me explain how it works again. All right, so how does this work? What does this mean? You buy a $130 mystery box, you're going to get this package right here that you're guaranteed to get 2 shirts from Astroworld, ASSC, Supreme, and Bape that are worth over $130. So you're getting that guaranteed, but in some of the boxes and some of the mystery envelopes, there will be a golden ticket. Now, this golden ticket will get you a prize. Look, right there, there it is. The Wonka golden ticket. This one has Supreme bandana box logo hoodie. So if you were to buy this, you're getting these 2 shirts, which this one right here is an ASSC shirt. Oh, this is an Astroworld shirt. It says, "Wish you were here" on the back. And then you have another one here. It's an Astroworld shirt. These are actually kind of cool. I want them myself. I don't have many Astroworld shirts. But then you get this golden ticket. Now, on this golden ticket, it'll say the item that you win on it, and you have to call the store and give them the code that's put on the back of the golden ticket, and then they will ship you this separately. Now, some of them, they're actually just throwing the items in the box. Now, again, if you guys didn't see the last video I did with them, they sent me a $7,500 mystery box, and those ones that you got, it went absolutely crazy. They sold out. They are being shipped as we speak right now, and so the people are going to be getting a pair of Red Octobers for 130 bucks. There's going to be some crazy shoes, so I'm excited to see when you guys send me that stuff. I'm gonna open the other ones just so you guys can see an example of what you're gonna get. These obviously aren't my golden tickets. This is not for me. I'm not winning this right here. This is an example to show you guys. The next one has the golden ticket. Obviously, we have a Bape tee right here, size XL. That's mine. It's pretty sick. You got the nice blue Bape tee, and then you got another Bape tee. So these right here, I sell on my website all day, 90, 100 bucks a pop. Easy. That's $200 right there from $130. And then this one would get a size 10 Off-White Jordan 1 Chicago. So if this is you, if you spend $130 on this, that's insane. And this is a legitimate store, guys. This is not sketchy or anything. This is a store that I've been to in New York. It's a store that I have used in videos in the past, and a lot of other YouTubers as well. This place is a legitimate store, and they're doing this because they love to have fun with the community and love to give back. And it's just a fun thing, because why would you guys not want to win something crazy for 130 bucks? Now, we got one more to show you guys, just to get an example, because this one will probably have like Supreme tees or something. Oh, it says ASSC. So we got 2 ASSC shirts right there. We got a maroon one, and then we got a teal one. Ooh, this one's kind of cool. Antisocial with like the teal. I feel like Nick would like this one, Cameraman. And this one gets a Sean Wotherspoon Air Max 97. And I'm excited because the last drop did so well. They wanted to send me a $9,000 or $10,000 mystery box to show you guys what you can win, because you could actually win a similar $9,000 mystery box as well. But they sent this to me, so shout out to Sneaker Flea for working together with me, being an awesome company, and just willing to send me something like this. So we're gonna get into it finally. And guys, you'll see this in a second. We're giving away a pair of dead stock Air Max 97 ones. Guys, free pair. Even if you don't want to get the mystery box, you can win this. Let's go ahead, let's jump into it. All right, so if you guys haven't seen, we are in the new studio. This is the new house. I showed you guys a briefly house tour. I'm gonna show you guys a full house tour coming up, but check this out. The bookshelf of sneakers here. We got the whole setup on this side. There's the light that we're using to film. We got all the skate decks. We got the calls. We got the 1,000,000 subscriber plaque. We got all the accessories. This place is perfect. It's now my filming studio. My editing studio is upstairs. If you guys want to see that, leave a like on this video, because we'll be showing that here in a little bit. A new video coming up, but I love this place. I'm excited. Now we're gonna be going ahead and getting to this $9,000 mystery box. What does Sneaker Flea have for me this time? Last time, they went crazy, and that was a really good box. I have to admit, a lot of stuff that I didn't have, so I'm excited to see what we got here. All right, let's go ahead and see what we got. I wonder if it's just shoes this time. Last time it was a complete sneaker mystery box, about $7,500. Okay, let's do this finally. Oh, we got some clothing this time. Something a little bit different. Let's pull this out. First things up, we got we got the Gucci beanie right there. Check that out. The rainbow Gucci beanie, size medium. This one retailed at 680 bucks. Check that out. Looks like they had it for sale for 500. That's pretty cool. Obviously, Gucci has that crazy high retail. I don't know if I could see myself wearing this. This is very bright, but if I was like snowboarding or something, I feel like that'd be kind of cool. Now, I need to make some room here to showcase some of this stuff, just because I feel like it's necessary. So maybe we'll make this side that. First up, Gucci beanie, we got it up there. Let's keep moving now. I saw some clothing, but also just saw another human race box. You remember we had a yellow pair in the last one. And we have a black Supreme box logo crew neck. This is the black with the white Supreme lettering box logo right there, size large. That actually kind of goes in my fit. Pick that out, all black. Should I throw it on? Let's see what we got. Actually, this will be nice when it starts getting cool out. This is a good fitting one. And it's a little big, but look at that. We're gonna keep it going. Supreme box logo. We got some different, like, dang, this some, you're doing it again, Sneaker Flea. This is exciting stuff here. Okay, so I see a small human race box. Let's pull this out. We got the yellow pair last time, which is crazy, about 1,400 bucks. This looks like a smaller box. This is a size human race. This is not, I don't know which one this is. Ooh, okay, we got the tie-dye human race right there with the lettering on the front, the red fur on the back. These are a brand, this is a dead stock, or maybe try it on. I think this is a dead stock pair of these. These are pretty cool, actually. Had a lot of human races in my day. I actually don't even know what these ones go for, if I'm being honest. So I found them, and these are the Human Trail Passion. These are a China exclusive. These are going for about 400 bucks on Flight Club, which probably going for a little bit less retail. Flight Club usually has a little bit higher prices, but this is a pretty cool pair right there. Size 8, not my size unfortunately, but we're gonna throw these up here on the shelf. All right, so we're gonna open one more shoe, and then we're gonna go ahead and tell you guys about the giveaway details. But I kind of saw this Travis box here, which is a pair of shoes that I bought for a friend of mine, actually for Cameraman's brother for Christmas, if I know what these are, size 10.5. Yes, these are the Travis Scott Jordan 6s. Now, I really like this shoe right here. I actually got these to give away, and I gave a pair to Cameraman Nick's brother for Christmas, but check these out. This is a crazy green colorway. The 6s have never been a huge fan for me just because of how puffy the sides are, and I said that every single time. Now, I tried to wear these before. It didn't really work out, but they're still a crazy shoe, and I love having Travis Scott shoes in general. I've narrowed my collection down to 2 Travis Scotts because I've had like every single one, and that is going to be the 4s and the 1s that you guys saw. So now we got the 6s, and these are my size. It's pretty cool. Maybe I'll try to wear them this time. This size brand new is going for 650 bucks right now. Pretty sweet, dead stock pair. I'm gonna throw these up on the shelf right here. That green just pops and looks so good. Another Travis to add to the shelf. We're filling up the shelf here at the new spot. Now, let's go and talk about this giveaway. All right, so yes, we are giving away a pair of brand new Sean Wotherspoon Air Max 97 ones. These are going for 1,500 bucks right now. Crazy how much these have gone up. I've had 4 pairs of these so far. This shoe is crazy. It's just an iconic shoe that I think everybody loves. I think everybody should, I mean, it's just so expensive and hard to get these now, but size 9.5 on these, retail 160. So this is a very simple rules for this giveaway. To win this dead stock pair, all you have to do is you have to 1, subscribe to my YouTube channel right down below. Number 2, follow me, Harrison Nevel on Instagram. 3, follow Sneaker Flea on Instagram. And then 4, leave a comment on this Instagram post up on the screen and tag 2 friends on that post, and you can win these for free. We're gonna be announcing the winner in 2 weeks time. That'll be on my Instagram and the Sneaker Flea Instagram. We're gonna be randomly selecting the winner. So 2 weeks from today, which today is what? Today's the 7th? So maybe I think it should be the 21st when we announce the winner. So that should be it. If not, it'll be up on the screen. But free pair of shoes for you guys. If you don't wanna buy a mystery box, go buy those mystery boxes if you can, because last time they sold out in 30 minutes. All right, so we're in about what, 4 items so far. We got the human races, we got the beanie, the box logo, and the 6s. Let's keep moving. You just saw the giveaway. I'm excited to see what they got. I wanna see if they can shook me or make me shook again. So let's, okay, they might've just did it. Oh, dang. Oh wait, I don't know which ones these are. Ooh, I'm excited. Okay, I think this is a pair of Travis Jordan ones, and I've had 1 pair, or I've actually had 2 pairs, but I sold the other one, and I have not had a dead stock pair. Oh, they're my size. Oh, are these the hot? Oh my gosh, these are the, oh, no way. Guys, this is crazy. A dead stock pair of Travis ones. Look at my pair. Look how beat up these are. That's how much I love these. I paid $1,500 2 weeks early to get this shoe from StockX. They're actually going for that same exact price right now, $1,450. I cannot believe this is a dead stock pair. This is one I have to sit on. Like, I love those so much that one day they're gonna fall apart and I'm gonna need a dead stock pair, and this is gonna be it. That's crazy. I've not seen a dead stock pair of these in a while because, oh, the hype got so crazy on these. Dang. Sneaker Flea, you guys are up to something. We're gonna put these right over here. That is crazy. I don't know why dead stock pair is so crazy, but I get a lot of used sneakers for these videos, and this is just such an iconic shoe. Jeez, check that. Oh, the difference. This is a 10.5, so it's a little bit smaller, but look at the toe box. Look how creased. Now I got one on ice, baby. This is one of my favorite shoes that I own. Honestly, I say that, I can't remember the last time I wore these. I need to wear these again. I've been wearing these UNC ones every day. Literally for moving, I've been wearing them every day. They're so comfortable. This is a comfortable shoe too, but dang, they did good. That's like 1,500 bucks just right there. Dead stock pair of Travis ones. And let's keep moving. Let's see. I'm gonna try to feel how much we got left. Oh, I felt like an off-white dunk box. 2, 3, 4. Just about 4 pairs left. Feels like another human race box actually. And it is a size 5.5. That is Sophie's size, a base size. Ooh, those are kind of cool. I actually think my wife Sophie would actually like these. These are another human race. On these, they say, this might be another like exclusive. Human race, NMDT, this is another trail. So I just found an article. These are called the BBC Adidas Human Race Cotton Candies. Now, I've never seen these before. Let's see. Size 5, okay. Size 5.5 is going for the same price as Travis Scott's. You want to buy the brand new, 1,400 bucks for these right here, brand new. Now the last sale was about 600 bucks. Actually, there's only been one sale of this shoe, so I'm assuming it's super limited. This is just kind of like one of those one-off different collabs that's interesting, but check that out. Cotton candy. I think that stitching is really sick. Just the colors in general. That's a cool pair right there. Gotta add those to the shelf. We got 2 human races, and let's keep moving and see. Yes, we have. I'm gonna pull out, this was like a Yeezy box. Pull out a Yeezy. We got the belugas last time in the video, and then there's 2 more boxes. I keep going, but there is a off-white dunk in there, which I'm curious which one that is. And we have a Yeezy, what are these called? I thought they were the glows for a second, but I forget the name of these. Nick, do you remember?
I don't know.
These are a dead stock. What are these called? These are the smaller size 7.5 or size 8, the Yeezreel. Look what the box says. It says Yeezreel. The box says Yeezreel. I'm not even sure what these are called. This is I think it's a more recent release. The Yeezreel. They're called their Yeezreel. They're not going for too crazy. So size 8 is going for about 300 bucks. Retails $225. That's a cool different colorway. Again, we all know they made so many of the V2s that there's so many colorways now. I personally like to have like the OG, like the belugas. This is like one of the only V2s that I have kept on me, just because they make so many pairs. And there's a few colorways that I do really like, but I just haven't gotten them over the years. Like I said last video, it was one of the other videos. Pan down to Nick's feet right now. What has he got on? The Yeezys. He's always got his 350 V2s on. We're gonna put those there. The Yeezreels, I guess. Let's keep moving. Well, I saw this box, so I'm not gonna ruin the last one. But we have a pair of size 10 Nike Dunks. Yup, we got the Dunk Low Michigans. Had a couple pair of these. These are like on the lower, I think this is a cheaper price. I think this will go for about 350 to 400 bucks. This is a cool shoe. I had all the pairs, and for some reason I never wore them. I always went for like my Syracuse over them for some reason. Maybe it's like they're a little bit bright. I say they're a little bright, but then I have got these. These are like crazy bright. But this is a cool pair. Iconic that the Dunks came out. I swear I called this 3 years ago that they're coming out with an off-white Dunk, but that's just me, and I say it every time these come up. But another cool one there, 400 bucks, and we got one more left. And it is a Jordan 1 box. Curious what these are. Let's see, we have a size 10. I can make it work if I need. It looks like a newer Jordan 1 tag. This is the sale. We got the Obsidian Jordan 1s right there. This is very clean. The muted colors, I really like. I'm wearing the UNCs a lot, but I like that navy. Size 10, a little small, but I probably could make these work, honestly. The quality on these is actually really nice for a Jordan 1. Some of the Jordan 1s have been hit or miss. I don't think these are going for too much right now though. They have a size 18, a size 10. Oh, 420 bucks. They're going for more than I thought. I feel like a lot of the ones when they come out, they kind of sit around 200-300 bucks, and then they skyrocket over time because everybody wants to get them. So I remember stores were sitting on these. All right, we gotta pull all these out and see what we're looking like. That was nasty. All right, so we got all the items here. We had 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 items total. What do you guys think? I feel like the crazy heat is right here between this box. For me, I just can't believe I have another dead stock pair of these. I just didn't really think I would get a pair because I have them already and I beat them up, so I wear them a lot. And so having a pair on ice is just gonna be cool. I don't know why. I think I'm gonna put these in the glass case. Actually, let me grab it. I think these deserve to be in this case right here. Look at this. Dead stock pair. We gotta keep them safe. Check that out. Really sick. Put that right there. We got the Travis Reese's to go with it. I already ate these, it's empty. Check that out. Super sick. I think that's my favorite pair out of the box. I've got a pair, but it's brand new. I keep saying that. And the 6s are cool. The Obsidians are actually another good pair too. Whiskeys are a 10.5, but a lot of good pairs. Again, guys, the link will be down below for the mystery boxes. Last time I filmed this video, after 30 minutes, they were completely sold out. So do not miss out on this. I don't even know how many they're making. I think last time they had like 400 and they sold out so quick. So if you guys want to check that out down below, I will link it. Thanks again to Sneaker Flea for sending me this mystery box to showcase for you guys and show you all this stuff. But this is very exciting and I can't wait to rock some of these shoes and show you. So enter the giveaway. I'll see you guys next time. This is Harrison signing out.